Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the trade of the day. And why I'm going to demonstrate this one is to show you, how kind of not to use the AI, all right? This was an AI alert to short, okay? QNGY at 494. Look where the AI exited at 494 for no profit, okay? That's following the AI exactly. However, I'm not so concerned about this. I mean, yeah, it's now 22%. I mean, that's awesome, of course, and this has been an awesome day for the AI. But I want to just show you something. So again, you click on that, and you can see that when the AI said to short this at 494, look where it got down to. Got down to 442. That's an awesome percentage increase. And then the AI, in its mode, allowed it to come back up before it got out of the trade. Obviously not the way to trade. I hope that makes sense to you. So what we always say with the AI, and there's no video, this is where some trading experience comes in, that if you got into this at 494, and this was almost a straight down move to 438 or so, about 438, and yeah, a little pop here. I would have taken some out here, and then I'd be saying, oh, great, it's moving down again. But the minute this happened, I'd probably be out of my trade, okay? Because this is, quite frankly, this is a very whippy one. You can see what it did in the pre-market. You'd have to be aware of, what it did in the pre-market. Again, some trading experience. But you could never, hopefully, take a trade and then allow it come to when you're in a great profit percentage position, allow it to come right back up and basically get traded out of the trade of the alert with no profit whatsoever. And now it's really, now it's really collapsing. But I just really wanted to point that out because we get all the time, how do you use the AI? Well, it does require, as we say, the machine, the AI, will give you the alert, they'll give you a stop. How you manage to trade, though, is best managed by man, you, woman, you, okay? As opposed to just let the AI run automatically for you. All right, guys, now we're still, excuse me, if you're getting this email, there's still time to sign up for the test drive. You will not have, of course, 10 days. You will have 5 days. The market's closed on Monday, but so the test drive will run from Tuesday to the following Monday inclusive. Okay, so you'll have 5 days. It will cost the $11.11. So, well, listen, have a great long weekend. Again, the market is closed. If you're not aware of this, if you're not in North America or even Canada, market's closed for President's Day on Monday. So have a great long weekend, and we'll see you Tuesday morning at 8 o'clock.